Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can install two WhatsApp applications on HUAWEI MatePad T5. So I'm gonna show you the two methods for that. In the first one, open the Play Store, tap on the search bar, and look for the WhatsApp Business app. Now install this application, and by this quick way, we have two WhatsApp apps from the official source. That was the first method. Now the second one. You have to look for the Two Accounts app. Of course, install it and open. Now agree the terms. Allow permission to the files. And tap on the WhatsApp icon. Then whole process starts automatically and we are creating the next WhatsApp application on this device. And this is how it works. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.